guys, so today we're gonna invert tree in Java. A question. So let's begin. First of all, I'm gonna start off by reading statements. Given the tree, invert the tree and return its root. So here we are given a example tree 4273169. So basically, to invert a binary tree, all we do is flip its node. So we have 2 and 7. To invert it, we're just going to flip the node, so it's 7 and 2. To do this, we're going to need to create an algorithm to invert the tree. So let's implement that. First of all, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open up my code thing, and here we're going to see. First of all, we're going to run an if statement. If our root is equal to null, then just gonna return the root. So it's gonna return our root. This will basically just check if the tree is empty or if there's no contents inside the tree, there are no nodes, we're just gonna return the root tree. On the other hand, if the tree is not null and there are nodes in it, then we're going to invert it. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to call our tree node left is equal to invert, and then here we're going to call the method that we in invert tree root dot left. What I'm doing here is I'm going to be performing a recursive algorithm to traverse through the tree until we can invert it. So we're going to do the same thing to get all of our right nodes. So here what I'm doing is I'm grabbing all of the left nodes in our tree. So here we're going to do the same thing to grab all of our right nodes. Dot right. And then next we're going to actually invert the tree. We're going to do root dot and then all the right nodes. We're going to set them to the left nodes which we initialized here. So all the right nodes will be nodes and vice versa. So let's do this, and then doing this will be inverting the tree. So dot left equal to here right, yeah, alright. Then we'll just return our newly inverted tree. Okay, so now let's run this code. Okay, it's running. And awesome. So we see our input was accepted. So our input was 4271369 and our output was 4729631, which was the expected inverted binary tree. So before we continue, I just want to give you a quick overview of what's actually happening in this code. So what's actually happening is, first of all, we're doing you could call it a null check to make sure that the tree is not empty. Then, if it's not empty, if it is empty, we'll just return the root. If it's not empty, we're going to continue with the recursive algorithm, which here we're going to first of all get all the left nodes from the tree. And then here, we're going to do the same thing. Vice versa, get all the right nodes from the tree. Right nodes, the tree. Okay, and now here is where we actually will invert them. So invert right nodes into left. Same thing. So this we invert left nodes into right. Lastly, just have to return our newly inverted tree. Okay, so next. This is basically just a quick overview of our algorithm in case you didn't get it, or just to give you a overview of what we were doing. So I put some comments down so you can see exactly what's happening in our code and how. So now that we've done, let's go ahead and submit. So here, and awesome. So we see a success, and yeah, so we got 100% accuracy. And so this was how to invert a binary tree. Thank you.